Windows folder, set password and hide. Professional file hiding. Encryption locking tool. Hide, encrypt, or lock your personal files, photos, videos, and other important private data on Windows PCs and laptops. Already download this software. You can free download link in the video description. Download and install. Enter your new password. Re-enter password. Drag and drop your folder. Click to set password. If you need, you can set separate password for every folder. Click to OK. The password has been set. If you need, open your folder, open folder hider. Enter folder hider password, login. Open, enter your folder password. OK, you can see your folder files. If you don't need protect your folder, click to unhide. OK, thank you for watching.